Good morning, students. Welcome to today's English class. We have read our lesson number 6, The Boy Who Borrowed, of Unit 2 of our English Reader. We have done the question answers, word meanings, and book exercises. And today we are going to discuss the value based question, and also we shall write the diary entry of this lesson. So let's get started. Question number B7, value based question, on page number 42 of your book. Books are our best friends. The values that we get from them are timeless and priceless. Do you agree with this statement? Discuss in class what values do we get from books. So let's discuss how the books are our best friends. We learned that books are our best friends. They are our companions in all circumstances. Whenever we are lonely, we can read books and have fun, and whenever we are in any difficult situation, the knowledge that we have got from books can help us to come out of that situation, to come out of that difficulty. And the values that we get from the books are timeless and priceless. Timeless means they are true today, they were true yesterday, and they will be true tomorrow. Whatever values that we have get are timeless. They do not change with the time, they remain with us forever. मीन्स जो भी वैल्यूज़ हमने बुक से सीखी हैं वो टाइमलेस है, कि वो आज अगर सही हैं कल भी सही थी और आगे भी सही रहेंगी. जो भी अच्छी बातें हमने बुक से सीखी हैं, ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आज वो सही हैं और कल वो सही नहीं होंगी. तो जो वैल्यूज़, जो भी अच्छी बातें हम बुक से सीखते हैं वो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहती हैं और वो हमेशा हमारी ज़िंदगी में काम आती हैं. और they are priceless also, कि we cannot buy them from anywhere. They are invaluable, वो अमूल्य होती है हमारे लिए. and nobody can take us from us. अगर हमने वैल्यूज़ सीखी हैं तो वो कभी हमसे कोई चुरा नहीं सकता, वो प्राइसलेस हैं, कभी हमसे कोई छीन नहीं सकता, और वो हमेशा हमारी ज़िंदगी में हमारे काम आती रहती हैं. सो दे आर इनवैल्यूएबल, दे आर प्राइसलेस, एंड दे रिमेन with us forever. So we totally agree that the values that we get from books are timeless and priceless, and they are our best friends. Now let's move to the diary entry on page number 43. Imagine you are Benny. Write a diary entry describing your unbelievable experience of hearing the books talk, leave the house, and reach their owners' houses. We read in the story that books were talking to each other. They left Benny's house and they reached their owners' houses. So this was an unbelievable experience. अनबिलीवेबल मीन्स अविश्वसनीय, जिस पर कोई विश्वास ही नहीं कर सकता. सो अबाउट दिस एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव टू राइट इन द डायरी एंट्री, एंड यू हैव टू इमेजिन योर सेल्फ एज बैनी. मीन्स आप बैनी हो और आपके साथ ही एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, एंड यू हैव टू राइट इन द डायरी एंट्री. बिफोर राइटिंग द डायरी एंट्री, लेट्स लर्न what is a diary entry. Earlier we learned how to write a notice, an application, a letter, and paragraphs, but this is another piece of writing in which a person writes about his own experiences, his own feelings and thoughts in the form of a diary. And it is a personal piece of writing. So, before writing this diary entry, let's see the format of a diary entry, because every piece of writing is written in a set format. So, this is the format of a diary entry. First of all, we write the date and the day and then time on the left side of the page. Then we write dear diary. This diary is like our friend. So, if we address as we address our friends, dear friend. So, this diary is also like our friend, because we share our joys and sorrows, our all experiences with this diary. So, this is also like our friend. So, we address it as dear diary. Then we shall write the content, means whatever experience you want to note in this diary, you want to share with this diary, you will write here, and last of all you will write your name. So, let's write this diary of Benny, in which we have to describe the unbelievable experience of hearing the book stock leave the house and reaching the books their owners' houses. So, first of all we shall write today's date. Today is July 12, 2021. Then day is Monday, and time 9 p.m. Mostly the diary is written before bed, before going to bed. सोने से पहले मोस्टली एक पर्सन अपनी डायरी लिखता है. So you can write the time 9 p.m. Then dear diary. Something very strange happened last night. Oh my God, it was unbelievable. I was lying in bed when I heard some noises from the other room. I got up and went out to see. I listened outside the door of the room and was extremely surprised to hear that the books which I had borrowed from my friends were talking to each other. They were very angry with me and wanted to go back to their owners. Then I saw the books coming out of the room and going downstairs hurriedly, pushing one another. At last, they ran out of my house from the open window of the little room. I thought it was a funny dream, but it was real. The books had actually reached their owners' houses. And in the end, you will write Benny. Students, notice that diary entry is always written in past tense, and the first used in the first person, because person writes about his own experience. So, the first person I is used in this diary entry, and it is always written in the past tense, because it is a past experience, the experience that has already happened. So, you will write it in the past tense. So, this is all about the diary entry and the value based question of this lesson. Keep learning this lesson, because you are going to have a test on this lesson. So, keep learning, and that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.